Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Shinsenna Miso Ramen, and this was on sale, so it's like a neat little package. You can see it, it's made in Canada. And let me show you what's in here. Here are the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. You got that. And let's open this up. Alright, so that's what it looks like. You get 2 packs in here. Okay, so I'm going to cook it up now. Alright guys, here's the ramen. So put it into this bowl here, put a little bit of spinach in there, and yeah, we'll see how it tastes right now. The noodles are actually pretty good. It does have that sort of ramen noodle texture, which is actually really good. And the broth is pretty good. It's your traditional miso flavor. So, yeah, it's decent. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next video.